Come take a ride, Midnight Express. Here we go, hold and spin feature. Okay, we'll take that one. 50 ball. All right, we're on 5-cent denom here, by the way. Ooh, good totals here. Wow. Oh my Lord, the Midnight Express. Watch this train up top. It's gonna drop them in. So many good things on this cart. All aboard, 2,500 looks good there, Papa. Don't you do it. Gonna add that to all of them. Oh, we're still moving the chain. Psych. Keep going. Can we hit it again? That wasn't good enough for me. 2 spins left. Last one. That's it. Let's see how we did. Great totals. Midnight Express. Hit that subscribe. We're only showing you the best bonuses.